Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 1st, and what I'm going to do here, just for a little test, I'm going to try to get some marigolds going. So I've got a bunch here that I have harvested, I guess it was last year. Anyway, I'm just going to grab one of these, just one pod, and it's amazing how many seeds you can get out of this one pod. Check this out. Look at that. Look at the seeds in one pod. Look at that. We've just got some earth here. I'm just going to break this up a little bit. So this is just a potting mix. This is a Miracle Grow potting mix. Very inexpensive. Anyway, there are my little seeds. So let's just take those and just kind of sprinkle them all in there. So I'm just going to do one pod for this little test. I do have a few extras here that are floating around. Might as well throw those in. And we'll see how long these take. I've already started off some other ones about, maybe just over a week ago. So there we go. So you just put them in like that. And then I'm just going to take a little bit more potting soil and just sprinkle it on the top. Let's get that on there. Not too deep. We don't want to go have these things buried too deep. I think just like that, just make sure most of them are covered. That's good, just like that. I'll show you what I have here. I'll just move that out of the way for a second. I'll throw these back in. I've just got a little Pepsi container here. Look at this. You know, this is the box that when you buy Pepsis or any kind of soft drinks, you know, the little cans. Look at that. That was all from last year. Okay, and those are French marigolds. So now that we've got that, then we just need to water them. I'm going to grab some water here, a little sprayer, and then just spray this down. Just like that. That's perfect. And I've got a little lid here, so I can just close this up if I want, and just leave it like that, and that will keep all that moisture in there. So anyway, I'm going to lock this in. So we are day number 1, germination day number 1, and we are March the 1st. So as I get a little bit of activity going on these, hopefully I will be back with another video. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.